Hello friends, welcome to Google Cutter channel. In this video, we'll learn some function in Google Sheet. So I have a data set. It's like student data set and their marks in math, science, EVS and language. So first of all, you see the data are not aligned properly. Okay. First, we will align them. So how we can align them? First, select the data set. So I have a data set from column B to column F. Okay. You can select it by clicking the leftmost button. Okay, from B to F. Okay. Either you can how to select it. Okay. First, you select the column B, then press Shift in your keyboard, then select F. It will select this entire range. Okay. Say once again, say if you select either like this, it just only one column will be selected. Okay. So what you're going to just click the column here with the left of your mouse button, then press Shift, then which range of the column you want to select. We just select. I want it F up to select it from B to F. So I'll select F. Okay. Press the Shift in your keyboard and then select F. So you select entire range and then use format, align, then I want it to be in center. Okay. See the entire data set aligned is left alignment. Okay. Aligned left, aligned. So you can also do it in this here also. Either you can do format or you can also use this option. Center, we want it to be a right alignment. Okay, anyway. So generally I like to have center alignment and students I want a left. Okay, and I'll need two column need to be add left of these two names. So we can add it. Just click the column B column, right mouse button. Okay, right click the mouse button and then select. Okay, insert one left of this column, left of B column. Okay, insert one left, and you want to add one more. Either you can add right click it and add insert one left. Okay, you have say two columns added, or maybe say you can do control Z. Okay, control Z means undo. So I have inserted, so it will undo these activities. Okay, just click it or control Z. You can do one more thing. Okay, you can uh, right click it, insert one left, and then you just select the B column, press F4 in your keyboard, like press F4. See, automatically F4, it's like repeat function. Okay, so if you press F4, whatever the function which you made previously will get repeated. Okay, so that is the function of F4 in Google Sheet. Okay, if you click F4, whatever the function which you made previously, that will get repeated. Okay, and I'll add serial number and then roll number of each students. So want it to be a center aligned. Okay. Okay, just want to add a serial number. So instead of typing serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, so I have a tips like, okay, after you enter a number, go to the right bottom corner. You can see there is a square shape. Okay, you can just, if you move the cursor, you can see there's a plus symbol arrives. Okay, once it has been done, okay, you press Control in your keyboard and then click the left mouse button and drag it down. You can see the serial number is automatically get incremented by 1. Okay, so we have 15 students. So in terms of, we have 15 students. So similarly we can use the same thing for roll number also. So this to class roll number starts with 1100, so it has to be increment by 1. So what you can do, go right bottom corner, click the left mouse button and press Control in your keyboard, then drag it down. So all the numbers are incremented by 1. Okay. So now I want to know the what is the total. Okay, total addition of all these marks. Okay, total mark of Branson, Churchill, Gandhi, Hitler, Henry. Okay, so I just want to know the total marks scored by each student. Okay, so what you can do it. Okay, any function before you starting any max function, you just want to do it. Enter a equal to symbols. Okay, just type equal to symbol in your keyboard, and then choose the data. Okay, from choose the cell. Okay, 90. Then enter plus symbol. Then choose this data. Then plus choose EBS. Then add plus symbol. Then choose language. Okay, then enter it. So Google Sheet is asking autofill function. So you can either way you can give it. Either you can click the right symbol or you can give Control plus Enter in your keyboard. It's done. Okay, format is applied to your table. So okay, so same thing we can do it in sum function using sum function. We can do it. Okay, type equal to symbol, then type sum. It's already popping out. Okay, you can use sum here. Then choose the range. So for the sum, you need a range. Okay, so range is from E4 to H4. Okay, either you can do it by mouse. Okay, I've done it through mouse, or okay, you can do it by keyboard by just left by pressing the left arrow in your keyboard. I'm just pressing out, and then press a shift, then right arrow till the column which you need or want to do a sum function. Then again control plus enter. Okay, uh, so center alignment. Okay, so this is a way we can use the sum function. So sum function is used to sum up the all these numbers. Okay, so add up all these numbers is generally used for sum function. So your type is equal to sum. Okay, so other way you can use the sum function is like you can go here. This is a function symbol. This is a function symbol. Okay, you can write near. Okay, you can click it. You can see sum, average, count, maximum. All these functions will be there. You can select any of these. Okay, now we need a sum. Okay, actually I have to click the cell where the sum function need to be added. Can click it, then use sum, then add the range. That's it. Simple. Okay, control press enter, you can do it. So just deleting this, you can delete it by right, press select the column and then right click it, delete column. Okay. So there's a one more way you can do it. Okay, the one more way. This is the old way which I did with plus symbol. Okay, not with like hello. Okay, so switch sum. Okay, then select the range. Go to explore. Go to explore. You see sum, average, minimum, maximum, count. Okay, so in that you can just click the sum and drag it down here and paste it. Just drag it. That's it. Okay, you can see. So the sum of this range. Okay. So, and then if you, okay, Google Sheets not prompting for the autofill function. So what you can do, just, you can just copy it by Control C. You are going to edit and choose this option, copy. Then select this column where you want to paste the formula, and then click either edit this one paste, or you can use Control V in your through keyboard. So Control C and then Control V. See, in this way, and wow, this is another way of copying a formula. So what are the formula you entered here? Just go, you can see the square in the right bottom. Okay. When you okay, just double click in your mouse, just double click it. You can see it's autofill. The formula gets autofill. Okay, and there's a one more I think see there's a difference between this using the conventional way of adding plus symbol and the sum. Okay, so if you want to add one more subject in between this range, say language one, and say their marks, Branson mark was like 65, Churchill is like 78, Pruvu's mark was 45, like that. You can see it's got automatically got updated. Okay, there's a difference you can see. Dynamically it's get updated. Just removing it, see, and then undoing. Okay, but here it's not getting updated. It's, since it was initially mentioned, we are okay, giving specific, the data set is specific to these cells. Here we are giving a range. Okay, so any range in between, if you add anything, it gets automatically updated. Okay, if you add any column and you enter the data, it's get automatically updated here in some function. And you can also see some year also. So you can see some average, minimum of these four numbers, maximum number of these four, and how many cells we have selected, like four, and how many cells selected which have the numbers. Okay, say for example, if I select this, okay, it shows like account number is 6, so 6 cells I have selected, and but the count number is only 5, so only the cells, 5 cells have the numbers and one cell is not having the numbers. Okay, so that's it, the sum function. So we'll elaborate more on about the sum function in next topic. Okay, any suggestions, feedback, you can just write down in your comment section. uh, we'll see in next video. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.